Hey, good morning. Welcome to Custom Crate Engines by Proformance Unlimited. We got it happening on the dyno. Here's a beautiful 347. All of our engines are custom built to order. This particular one is a 450 edition. Customer chose a dual sump pan on that. This is going to be going into a 55 Ford F150. Probably does some suspension work. Got a nice full boat system on here. This is air conditioned, alternator power steering. We're running the Holley intake manifold with a ear body on it, and this has to be an Edelbrock ear body. MSD distributor, and again we got a nice forged bottom end on it. We got our AFR cylinder heads on this. Gorgeous build, all quality parts. You're looking for a super quality engine? You found us, Proformance Unlimited. Hey, check us out. Okay, Kevin, I got your 1955 Ford F100 engine on a dyno. Happens to be a 347 EFI engine. Gonna fire it up, give you a run demo.